Of you, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start chapter 3rd of Beehive, The Little Girl. Here is the main character Kezia. Let's start. Before you read, do you feel you know your parents better now than when you were much younger? Perhaps you now understand the reasons for some of their actions that used to upset you earlier. Because when your parents scolded you, warned you became upset. But in reality, they want to be make their children successful, and children have natural attachment with their parents. They always desire to receive their love and affection. Parents are strict with them for their bright future. So this is the story. This story about a little girl whose feelings for her father change from fear to understanding will probably find an echo in every home. Means to be, here Kezia has a different attitude about her father. So let's start the story. To the little girl, he was a figure to be feared and avoided. Every morning before going to work, he came into her room and gave her a casual kiss, to which she responded with "Goodbye, father." And oh, there was a glad sense of relief when she heard the noise of the carriage growing fainter and fainter down the long road. In this para, here is the little girl Kezia. She has a fear with her father. Every morning when her father goes to his business, when her father goes to his business in the morning time, he came to Kezia's room and gave her a casual kiss. And in return, Kezia responded with "Goodbye, father." And now she had a glad sense of relief when she heard the carriage of her father growing fainter and fainter. Means to be, it disappeared in front of the Kezia's eyes. तो केजिया यहाँ पर जो है बेटा अपने फादर के फिगर से डरती है. शी हैज़ अ फिगर टू बी फियर्ड with her father. Okay, but father is a businessman. When he goes to the business, he daily used to come to the Kezia's room, okay, and give her casual kiss. Okay, and when her father went to the business, she became very happy. In the evening, when he came home, she stood near the staircase and heard his loud voice in the hall. "Bring my tea into the drawing room. Hasn't the paper come yet? Mother, go and see if my paper's out there, and bring me my slippers." When his father came back home in evening time, he commanded in this way, "Bring my tea into the drawing room." मेरी चाय लेकर आओ ड्राइंग रूम में. ओके, अभी तक पेपर नहीं आया. मदर, गो एंड सी, फाइंड आउट द पेपर इज आउटसाइड, एंड ब्रिंग मी माई स्लीपर्स. नो फादर विल ऑर्डर टू his child to bring my sleepers, but here the father has given command to the Kezia. Kezia mother would call to her, "If you are a good girl, you can come down and take off father's boots." Here now Kezia's mother called to her, okay, if you are free, you are not doing anything, then go and remove the father's boots. Slowly the girl would slip down the stairs. Now Kezia slowly come down from the stairs, more slowly, still across the hall, and push open the drawing room door because she has a fear with her father. तो केजिया जो है बेटा बहुत स्लोली आती है. ठीक है, जब उसकी माँ बोलती है अगर आप फ्री हो तो जाओ और अपने फादर के बूट्स रिमूव करो. By that time he had his spectacles on and looked at her over them in a way that was terrifying to the little girl. Her father was wearing the specs, okay, spectacles means to be chashma, on, and looked at her over them in a way, and he looked at her very horrible way that was terrifying to little girl. Kezia उनके देखने के अंदाज से डर जाती है. Well, Kezia, hurry up and pull off these boots and take them outside. Now father spoken to Kezia, hurry up, जल्दी करो, ठीक है. Pull off means to be remove these boots. In boots को उतारो and take them outside. Have you been a good girl today? क्या आज तुम एक अच्छी लड़की बन चुकी हो? I don't know father means to be here. The Kezia has a fear with her father, so she cannot speak to her father frankly. You don't know. If you stutter like that, mother will have to take you to the doctor. Now father said to Kezia, if you will not stop to be stuttering, then your mother will take to you the doctor. केजिया के फादर ने कहा कि अगर तुम ये स्टटरिंग बंद नहीं करोगी तो योर मदर, तुम्हारी माँ जो है, कहाँ ले जाएगी? डॉक्टर के पास. शी नेवर स्टटर्ड विद अदर पीपल. ठीक है, कीजिया डिड नॉट स्टटर विद इन फ्रंट ऑफ अदर पीपल. दूसरों के सामने वो कभी भी उसने स्टटर मीन्स वी कैन से लाइक द चाइल्ड कैन नॉट बी स्पीक प्रॉपरली. ठीक है, हक लाना और तुतलाना, एनी वर्ड यू कैन यूज, but only with father, because then she was trying to so hard to say the words properly. She was not capable to speak anything in front of her father. She has a fear with her father. What's the matter? Why are you looking so raised about? Today you are looking unhappy. What's the matter? क्या हुआ? Mother, I wish you taught this child not to appear on the brink of suicide. ठीक है? Now she always remain in this condition in front of me as she is going to be commit suicide. Okay, here Kezia carry my teacup back to the table carefully. Now her father has given command to her, carry my teacup back to the table carefully. Now फादर ने कीजिया से कहा कि मेरा कप आसानी से कहाँ तक ले जाओ? टेबल तक. ठीक है. He was so big, his hands and his neck, especially his mouth when he yawned. ठीक है, he was so big. Father was very taller. His hands and his neck, especially his mouth when he yawned. Yawned means जमाई लेना. ठीक है, this is activity. And thinking about him alone was like thinking about a giant. She always think about her father, then she has a figure of a giant. On Sunday afternoon, grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother. Now her grandmother sent to Kezia to the drawing room. अब उसकी दादी माँ जो है बेटा, उन्होंने कहा here are the 4 members, Kezia, Kezia's mother, father and grandmother. Okay, so it's a Sunday afternoon and Kezia's grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk. Nice talk means to be build her relationship with the parents nice, with father and mother. But the little girl always found mother reading and father stressed out on the sofa. So what happens here कि mother always, you can see in the picture कि mother always she is reading and father is lying down on the sofa. Okay, and Kezia is standing on the staircase. So and his handkerchief on his face. You can find out that father has covered his face with the handkerchief. Okay, his feet on one of the best cushions. और जो फादर के जो पैर हैं बेटा कहाँ रखे हुए हैं? बेस्ट cushions, comfortable cushions. Sleeping soundly and snoring. He is taking the deep sleep and making the sounds. Snoring means खर्राटे भरना. She sat on a stool, gravely, seriously watched him until he woke and stressed. ठीक है, until his father is not going to be wake up. She was sitting on the stool and waiting of her father and asked the time, then looked at her. ठीक है, when his father wake up, he asked the time, then looked at her. How? Don't stare so, Kezia. You look like a little brown owl. Now her father said to her, do not look at me like this. You are looking just like a brown owl. ठीक है. One day when she was kept indoors with a cold, her grandmother told her that father's birthday was next week. It's a winter time. She was playing inside, okay, indoors at home. That time her grandmother told her कि now your next week your father's birthday will be there, and suggested she should make him a pin cushion for a gift out of a beautiful piece of yellow silk. कीजिया की ग्रैंडमदर ने कीजिया से कहा यू हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर अ गिफ्ट फॉर हर फादर. ओके, बिकॉज हिज बर्थडे इज नेक्स्ट वीक. and she can use the color beautiful piece of yellow silk laboriously with the hard work. With the double cotton she has taken the cotton cloth, the little girl stitched 3 sides and she has कीजिया ने उस गिफ्ट के 3 sides को सिल दिया. But what to fill it with? Now matter is कि what will be the stuffing? That was the question. The grandmother was out in the garden. Grandmother was outside in the garden and she wandered into mother's bedroom to look for scraps. Scraps you can find out in a book, small pieces of cloth or paper. ठीक है, small pieces, thin pieces of the paper or cloths. On the bed table she discovered a great many sheets of fine paper. What happened beta? कि now Kezia was searching for the scrap. She found out in her mother's room many sheets of paper were there. Gathered them and tore them into the pieces. Now she has collected those sheets from her mother's room and tore them into the tiny pieces and stuffed her case, then sewed up the 4th side. कीजिया ने क्या किया बेटा कि पेपर्स जो थे उनको छोटे छोटे पीसेस, टाइनी पीसेस में कन्वर्ट करके अपने पिन कुशन में भर के उसका जो 4th साइड था उसको भी सिल दिया. That night there was a hue and cry. उस रात hue and cry means to be what kind of we can say angry protest. ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा शोर कहाँ था? घर के अंदर. Father's great speech for the port authority had been lost. ठीक है, father has kept his speech and that was lost. Rooms were searched. ठीक है, servants questioned. Now servants से जो बेटा क्वेश्चन किया गया, सारे रूम्स पूरे हाउस को चेक किया गया. फाइनली मदर केम इनटू कीजियाज रूम. नाउ जो उनकी कीजियाज की मदर है वो कहाँ आती है? कि कीजियाज के रूम में. कीजिया, आई सपोज यू डिडंट सी सम पेपर्स ऑन अ टेबल इन आवर रूम. अब उसकी मदर ने कहा कि आपने मेरे रूम में कुछ पेपर्स को देखा. ओह यस, शी सेड, आई टोर देम अप फॉर माई सरप्राइज. उसने कहा कि मैंने अपने सरप्राइज के लिए उनको टोर कर दिया, फाड़ दिया, डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया. वॉट स्क्रीम्ड मदर, शाउटेड मदर, कम स्ट्रेट डाउन टू द डाइनिंग रूम दिस इंस्टेंट. राइट नाउ यू हैव टू कम टू द डाइनिंग रूम. अभी इन राइट नाउ यू हैव टू कम. एंड शी वॉज ड्रैग्ड डाउन टू वेयर फादर वॉज पेसिंग टू एंड फ्रो हेयर एंड देयर. पेसिंग मीन्स टू बी मूविंग. नाउ शी वॉज फोर्सफुली ब्रॉट टू द. अब जो कीजिया है बेटा वो फोर्सफुली कहाँ आती है? कीजिया जो है फोर्सफुली फादर के सामने लाई जाती है एंड उसके फादर जो है ही वॉज मूविंग हियर एंड देयर. ठीक है बेटा, बाई कीपिंग हिज हैंड्स बैक. वेल ही सेड शार्पली. मदर एक्सप्लेन. ही स्टॉप्ड एंड स्टेयर्ड एट चाइल्ड. नाउ फादर स्टॉप्ड एंड स्टेयर्ड लुकिंग गेजिंग एट टुवर्ड्स कीजिया. डिड यू डू दैट? ओके, क्या तुमने ऐसा किया है? नो, शी विस्पर्ड. मदर, गो अप to her room and fetch down the damn things. Particular things you have to bring me. It is used for the pin cushion. See that the child's put to bed this instant. Right now कीजिया को कहाँ रखना है बेटा? बेड पर. ठीक है, बेड पर बिठा दो. Crying too much to explain. She lay in the shadowed room watching this evening light make a sad little pattern on the floor. Now she was crying. Too much explain. She cannot. She was crying. She was not capable to explain. She lay in the shadowed room. Now it was the shadowed room, evening time. Okay, watching the evening light make a sad little pattern on the floor. It was making the shadow on the floor. Then father came into the room with the ruler in his hands. Now father बेटा रूम में आते हैं and ruler was in his hands. I am going to beat you for this, he said. अब कीजिया के फादर ने कहा कि मैं इसके लिए आपको पनिश करने जा रहा हूँ, बीट करने जा रहा हूँ. ओह नो, शी स्क्रीम्ड हाइडिंग अंडर द बेड क्लॉथ. नाउ कीजिया जो है वो कहाँ छिप जाती है बेटा? बेड क्लॉथ, जो बेड पर जो कपड़े होते हैं, बिस्तर होते हैं, उनके पीछे. ही पुल्ड देम असाइड. फादर ने क्या किया? उनको एक साइड किया. सिट अप, ही ऑर्डर्ड, एंड होल्ड आउट योर हैंड्स. यू मस्ट बी टॉट वंस एंड फॉर ऑल नॉट टू टच what does not belong to you. अब जो कीजिया है, जो कीजिया के फादर हैं बेटा, वो उसको कमांड ऑर्डर देते हैं कि होल्ड आउट योर हैंड्स, अपने हाथों को बाहर निकालो. एंड मस्ट बी टॉट वंस, तुम्हें एक बार चैप्टर लेसन मिलना चाहिए. एंड फॉर ऑल नॉट टू टच व्हाट डज नॉट बिलोंग टू यू, और वो चीज़ तुम्हें नहीं छूनी चाहिए दैट इज़ नॉट योर्स. मीन्स टू बी विदाउट योर parents' permission, you cannot touch their important things. So Kezia did this here. बट इट वॉज फॉर योर बर्थडे. ठीक है, उसने क्या कहा कि आपका बर्थडे था. डाउन केम द रूलर ऑन हर लिटिल पिंक palms. Now he started to beat on her pink form. Hours later, when grandmother had wrapped her in a shawl and rocked her in the rocking chair, the child clung to her soft body. ठीक है, now her grandmother wrapped her in the shawl. Okay, she was beaten badly by her father. उसके फादर ने उसकी बहुत अच्छी सी पिटाई की. किसके लिए बेटा? कि do not touch any things of your parents without permission. It's a bad habit. Okay, so Kezia did it and got a nice punishment. And now after that, she was just put up on the rocking chair and her body was touching close to the chair. What did God make fathers for? She sobbed. Sobbed means सिसकी भरना. She was weeping, crying and saying कि God ने father को क्यों बनाया. Here's a clean hanky, darling. Blow your nose. Go to sleep, Pat. You will forget all about it in the morning. Now her grandmother suggests her take this clean hanky, rumal. Darling means to be loving word. Blow your nose. Means to be clean your nose and go to sleep. In morning time you will forget each and everything. I tried to explain to father, but he was too upset to listen tonight. कीजिया ने फादर को एक्सप्लेन करने की, बताने की कोशिश की, बट ही वॉज टू अपसेट मीन्स टू बी डिस्टर्ब. वो इतने परेशान थे कि ही डिड नॉट लिसन कीजियाज एक्सप्लेनेशन. बट द चाइल्ड नेवर फॉरगॉट. कीजिया कभी नहीं भूल पाई. नेक्स्ट टाइम शी सॉ हिम, जब भी वो उनको देखती, शी क्विकली पुट बोथ हैंड्स बिहाइंड हर बैक एंड अ रेड कलर फ्लू इनटू हर चीक्स. जब भी वो अपने फादर को देखती, वो अपने दोनों हाथों को कैसे कर लेती? पीछे. ओके, एंड अ काइंड ऑफ रेड कलर मीन्स टू बी डर जस्ट रन्स ऑन हर चीक्स. नाउ हेयर द कीजिया इज गोइंग टू बी explain about her neighbor. The McDonald's lived next door. They had 5 children. McDonald is means to be here the neighborhood of the Kezia. ठीक है, he had 5 children. Looking through a gap in the fence, the little girl saw them playing tag in the evening. ठीक है, what happens? Kezia was watching this. ठीक है, in the gap of the fence. You can see in this picture. Here the McDonald had 5 children and this is the Kezia. Kezia is just watching the gap in between the fence. Okay, the little girl saw through a gap the McDonald's playing tag in the evening. So tag is a children's game of catching one another. We can say pakadam pakdi. Okay, so now the McDonald's was playing with his children. So the father with the baby Mayo, ठीक है, on his shoulders. Where was the Mayo? On his shoulders. Okay, 2 little girls hanging on to his coat pockets. अब जो 2 छोटी लड़कियां थी, उन्होंने बेटा क्या होल्ड कर रखा था? फादर के पॉकेट्स. ओके, ran round and round the flower beds. Flower bed means to we can say just plants were there, क्यारियां. ठीक है, shaking with laughter. They all were laughing, taking enjoy. हंस रहे थे, खेल रहे थे. Once she saw the boys turn the hose on him. What happens? Ki just hose means to be throw the water with the pipe. Okay, and he tried to catch them laughing all the time. और वो कोशिश कर रहे थे उनके साथ प्रॉपरली एंजॉय करने की, हंसते हुए खेल रहे थे. Then it was she decided there were different sorts of father. After watching the McDonald's family, the Kezia's opinion has been changed and then she thought, उसने सोचा कि here are the different types of fathers. Suddenly one day mother became ill. What happens? Kezia's mother became ill. बीमार हो जाती हैं. She and grandmother went to the hospital. ठीक है, her mother और उसकी जो grandmother है बेटा कहाँ चले जाते हैं? हॉस्पिटल. The little girl was left alone in the house with Alice. Alice is the cook here. That was all right in the daytime. Daytime she was happy, all okay. But while Alice was putting her to bed, she grew suddenly afraid. Okay, when the Kezia was lie down on her bed, okay, she became afraid. वो डर जाती है. क्यों? What will I do if I have a nightmare? She asked. I often have nightmares and then Granny takes me into her bed. I cannot stay in the dark, it all gets whispery. ठीक है. Now here is the discussion between the Kezia and the Alice. ठीक है. The question is there, if I have a nightmare. She asked, I cannot be stay here alone in the dark side. You just go to sleep, child, said Alice. Alice ने कहा, you have to try to sleep, pulling off her socks, के socks remove करते हुए, and don't you scream and wake up your poor pa. और अपने poor pa, poor means to be because father is doing the hard work through the daytime. मत जगाना. But the same old nightmare came. Same means to be earlier the Kezia had seen. The butcher with a knife and a rope. Butcher means a person who killed the animals. ठीक है, कसाई. With a knife and a rope. एक रस्सी और चाकू के साथ में, who came nearer and nearer, coming close to the Kezia. In that dream, the butcher is coming close to the Kezia with a knife and rope. Smiling that dreadful smile. Dreadful means to be make fear. हंसते हुए कीजिया के पास आता है बेटा. While she could not move. Okay? In dream the Kezia cannot be moved. हिल भी नहीं सकती. Could only stand still. Kezia was standing silently, crying out, grandma, grandma. ठीक है? She was calling to her grandmother. She woke, shivering to see father beside her bed, a candle in his hand. When she woke up, she find that her father was standing. उसके father जो है वो उसके बेड के पास खड़े हुए हैं. What's the matter? He said. उसके father ने कहा कि क्या मामला है. Oh, a butcher, a knife, I want Granny. Now Kezia said, Kezia ने कहा कि butcher, a knife, she was speaking about the dream. I want Granny, मुझे Granny चाहिए. He blew out the candle. Blew out means बुझाना. Went down and caught up the child in his arms. ठीक है, वो नीचे चले झुकते हैं and caught up the child. कीजिया को अपने बाहों में लेते हैं, आर्म्स में. Carrying her along the passage to the big bedroom. ठीक है, और उसको अपने बेडरूम में ले जाते हैं. Through the passage, रास्ते के द्वारा. A newspaper was on the bed. एक न्यूज़पेपर जो है बेटा कहाँ रखा हुआ है, बेड पर. He put away the paper, then carefully tucked up. Tucked up means just we can say covered up nicely in bed. उसको properly cover करके बेड पे लिटा देते हैं. He lay down beside her. वो उसके पास लेट जाते हैं. Half asleep मतलब not completely, deep sleep. Still with the butcher's smile all about her it seemed. अभी भी Kezia was remembering about that dream, butcher's smile and all that. Okay. She crept close to him. वो अपने फादर के क्लोज चली जाती है बेटा. Snuggled her head under his arm. ठीक है, snuggled means to be moved into a warm. ठीक है, comfortable position. Now she took the comfortable position. Her head under his arm. उसका जो head है वो अपने फादर के आर्म पर है. Held tightly to his shirt and she was holding tightly her father's shirt. उसने अपने फादर की शर्ट को बहुत टाइटली पकड़ रखा है. Then the dark did not matter. अंधेरे से मैटर नहीं होता है. She lay still, शांत लेटी हुई है, without any movement. Here rub your feet against my legs and get them warm. अब कीजिया के फादर ने कहा कि अपने पैरों को मेरे पैरों से बेटा रब करो because it was winter time. ठीक है, said father. फादर ने कहा. Tired out because the father was tired due to the day business. He slept before the little girl. कीजिया से पहले सो जाते हैं. अ फनी फीलिंग केम ओवर हर. नाउ कीजिया गॉट अ फनी फीलिंग. कैसी फनी फीलिंग है बेटा? पुअर फादर नॉट सो बिग आफ्टर ऑल. पुअर फादर मीन्स टू बी डियर लविंग फादर. इतने बेकार नहीं है. ठीक है, एंड विद नो वन टू लुक आफ्टर हिम. और कोई भी ऐसा नहीं हु टेक केयर ऑफ फादर. ही वॉज हार्डर देन ग्रैंड मदर. ठीक है, अब उन्होंने क्या कहा कि वो ग्रैंड मदर से भी हार्डर है. बट इट वॉज अ नाइस हार्डनेस. अब ये कैसी हार्डनेस है? अच्छी हार्डनेस है. कीजिया नाउ रियलाइज. ओके, एंड एवरी डे ही हैड टू वर्क. क्योंकि फादर को बहुत सारा वर्क करना है. यू शुड रियलाइज, दिस इज द मैसेज हियर, कि ऑल द पेरेंट्स स्ट्रिक्ट बट फॉर योर बेटरमेंट, फॉर योर इम्प्रूवमेंट, फॉर योर ब्राइट फ्यूचर. ठीक है, बट इट वॉज अ नाइस हार्डनेस एंड एवरी डे ही हैड टू वर्क एंड वॉज टू टायर्ड टू बी अ मिस्टर मैकडोनाल्ड. कीजिया को ना रियलाइज होता है कि मेरे फादर दिन भर काम करते हैं तो वो मैकडोनाल्ड की तरह फ्री होकर नहीं खेल सकते. शी हैड torn up all his beautiful writings, whatever she has written about her father, just torn up, उनको destroy कर दिया. Okay, she stirred suddenly, अचानक मूव करती है, and sighed means take a breath. व्हाट्स द मैटर आस्क्ड हर फादर, उसके फादर ने कहा क्या मामला है. अनदर ड्रीम, दूसरा सपना. ओ सेड द लिटिल गर्ल, माई हेड्स ऑन योर हार्ट, आई कैन हियर इट गोइंग. What a big heart you have got, father dear. Now the Kezia realized there when her head was near her father heart. Okay, you have a big heart, my dear father. Now she realized कि why my father is strict for her improvement and for her bright future. And it is written by, again repeating, Catherine Mansfield. So please revise it, keep revising anywhere. last में. It is written by Catherine Mansfield. Okay, so I think you have understood this chapter. Keep revising. Have a nice day.